Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Seems so. Yeah. Great.
We can hear you, Francisco.
Great. So I think I want to wait just 1 minute to make the start, in case that a few more can join. We have so far 25 participants. So yeah, it's a good number anyway. So thank you all for joining. So yeah, yes, just give me a second. Hi, Alessandra. I see you here. You joined earlier. Great. Nice to see you here. So I think, well, Tomen, who is over there, is going to give you guys some permission to have some control as well to unmute them yourselves, and then later to share the presentation. Huh? Okay, I think we should start already. We are about 29 people, yeah, 30 people, so that's good. So welcome everybody. My name is Francisco Cruz. Okay, so we are going to have today the workshop on human-aligned reinforcement learning. As you already know, this is a workshop for the IEEE ICDL 2021 conference. So first of all, thank you to the ICDL conference organizers. Well, one of them is already here, Alessandra. So actually, I think you were involved already in the workshops as well. So thank you very much for accepting our workshop. We had a nice conference this week, so hopefully we can also have a nice workshop for you guys today. So I'm gonna make the start. The opening is gonna be a very short presentation I want to share with you. Yeah, and well, I'm gonna explain quickly what's coming next. So, well, about this workshop. Well, the idea of these workshops is to get together a researcher and people working in human-aligned reinforcement learning. Well, that's actually comprises different topics like explainability, human in the loop, interactive reinforcement learning, assisted reinforcement learning, learning from multiple sources, safety, ethical fairness, things like that. We usually, well, people working in reinforcement learning, especially in human-aligned reinforcement learning, of course, we go to different venues to show our research, but we believe that it's good to have a workshop in particularly focus in this area of research. I think there are many people working on this very interesting topic. However, not so many instances to get all together. So I think that in this regard, this workshop can be a good opportunity to share our ideas, our results, things like that, no? Well, first of all, I want to thank you as well to all the invited speakers. We are going to have 12 invited speakers. You maybe have seen in the program, we are going to have 3 blocks. So in each of these blocks it's going to be around 2 hours. So in each of them, we are going to have 4 invited speakers. So in the first one, it's going to be Peter Bampel, Cornelius Weber, Benjamin Rossman, and Jens Kover. In the second one, it's going to be Richard Daisley, Alessandra Scuti, Bruno Fernandez, and Matt Taylor. And in the last one, George Konidaris, Brad Knox, Patrick Pilarski, and Leno da Silva. Okay, so thank you guys for accepting our invitation. Yes. Well, additionally to this, each of these blocks it's going to start with contribution talks. We are going to have 6 contribution talks. You can see in the program the whole reference for these talks. You can have you can find there a link for the papers. You will also find well, the authors there, and importantly, so you can find there the PDF, and then now we are going to see the presentation of these authors. The presentation for the contribution talks are going to be shown in videos, short videos, but the authors are going to be here to answer your questions. A few numbers I want to share with you. Well, we have invited speakers from 8 different countries, contribution talks from 6 countries. For this workshop, we received 8 submissions papers, and we accepted 6. So, well, 75% of acceptance rate. I think for a workshop that is all right. Of course, we believe that a workshop is a good instance to share initial ideas, so to share initial results as well. So yeah, we are going to have these 6 contribution tags with inspiring work as well. And so far we have more than 150 registration, which actually make us really happy. Of course, we know that given the time difference, time zones, it's not possible that all of you are going to be connected at the same time. Yeah, for instance, in South America, it's about 4 or 5 a.m. So here in Australia, it's going to be very late now. Is 6:30 p.m. So the time that we are going to finish, it's going to be late for most of us. But still, I think that to have this 150 registration is a good number. So thank you all for being interested in the workshop again. Anyway, I need to say in this point that to organize the workshops has been a bit challenging because, of course, trying to organize different people in different time zones is not easy. Well, all people doing scientific events, I think that are dealing with the same issues now. However, it's still motivating for us having all together. No? Well, and additionally, advertisement, I want to say, well, we are organizing as well a special issue in the journal Neural Computing and Applications in the same topic as the workshop. So it's a topical collection on human-aligned reinforcement learning for autonomous agents and robots. There is the link, of course, you will find it as well in our webpage, and we are going to start to advertise this probably from now on. People who have contributed to this workshop is especially encouraged to submit extended versions to this special issue. However, this is going to be an open call, therefore meaning that if anyone wants to submit their manuscript here, is more than welcome. So there are the main dates so far. Probably the more important, the submission deadline is December 15th this year. So yeah, and probably publication date is think to be next year, obviously middle of the next year. So yeah, anybody who is interested in this topic, please be aware of this special issue, and you are more than welcome to submit your manuscript there. Finally, I would like to say thank you to the organizing committee, to Tomen, Miguel, Pablo, and Richard for all the support and help during the workshop organization. So yeah, said that, I think that we should start now with the first presentation.